The slit lamp in a minute 45. Don't be intimidated by this beast. Let's go. First, turn it on. Then adjust the table height so it's good for you when you're sitting. Unlock the slit lamp itself so that it moves freely. Adjust the eyepieces individually if you need to. Make sure the width is good for your eyes. You can do this with your hand in front of you or with the patient in front of you. Adjust the brightness here or with this lever here, full brightness, half brightness. Never turn it to the screen, that's for the retina. Adjust the beam width here, beam height here, and if you need fluorescein light, turn it all the way to the left. Sit the patient down in front of you, chin rest, forehead rest. Adjust the height of the chin rest so that the eyes are at the level of the marker. Hold the slit lamp like this with the light source your left hand, adjusting height with your right, up and down, gross movements, and then fine movements with the joystick. That's really all there is to it. For general inspection, do this. For cornea inspection with fluorescein, do this. And for anterior chamber inspection, do this.